Hi guys, it's Chris here from TechTablets.com with a 4K 60 frames per second sample video shot on the Xiaomi Mi 10. Now it is a little bit windy, so there'll probably be some wind noise coming through. Now I've noticed that the stabilization definitely is not as good as the 4K 30, which I'll show you in my full review of this particular phone, as well as camera comparisons and up against the Mi Note 10 as well. I'll probably do a camera comparison. Now the focus seems to be quite good, no real problems. You can see sometimes a little bit slow there, but I haven't seen any major issues with the focus. And Xiaomi, yay, they are listening. They have finally improved the audio quality in video using 120 kilobit bit rate, and that is great. So we'll do a quick running test here to show you the stabilization is not so good, but when you see it in 4K 30, it is excellent. You can see that optical image stabilization is jarring either side there a little bit. So more up and coming in the channel. Make sure you do subscribe for more samples, full reviews, camera comparisons on the latest mobiles. Thank you so much for watching.